Now we can talk about homework 8 and problem 8. We know that a typical Poisson distribution is the probability of x equals k equals lambda to the power k over k multiply e to the power minus lambda. K equals 0, 1 to the infinity. And now we have a Poisson process, and the variable of the length t equals to t2 minus t1 is a Poisson random variable with parameter. So now our parameter changed into lambda t. So we can write the Poisson process like p and t1 t2 equals k equals e for lambda minus lambda t multiply lambda t to the power k over k. Now the parameter is lambda t. From the typical Poisson distribution, we know that the expect is lambda, and the is lambda 2. So for the Poisson process, we can write that the question A, we can find the expect of Poisson process is lambda t because the parameter from the lambda changed into lambda t. And for question B, we must find the RT1, T2. From the question A, we know that the expect of the process is lambda t, and we can calculate some other statistics value, like it also equals lambda t, and we can see it also equals e x to the power 2 minus e x to the power 2. So we can see that e, the expect of x to the power 2 equals d xt multiply e xt to the power 2. That equals lambda t plus lambda t to the power 2. That equals 1 plus lambda t multiply lambda t. And now we can calculate r t1 t2. That equals the expect of x t1 multiply x t2. And now we can see that there are different variables, and we won't use this form. we want to change it into this form. So we can use this method. We can make this into, we can change x t1 multiply t2 into t1 multiply x t2 minus t1 plus t1. That might be expect of x t1 equals multiply expect of x t2 minus x t1 plus the expect of x t2 to the power 2. And now we can calculate them directly. So the xt1 must be lambda t1, and this part is lambda t2 minus lambda t1. This part is this part is we calculate here. It equals 1 plus lambda t1 multiply lambda t1. So it equals lambda t1 multiply lambda t1 t2. That part we write it as t1 minus t2, and we have a background that we set it t1 is bigger than t2. So if t1 bigger than t2, it's similar that it equals lambda. We only change t1 into t2 and t2 into t1. So that might be t2 multiply lambda t1 t2.